Hi everyone, this is Marvin, and today I want to walk you through a topic that's becoming absolutely essential for every modern marketing and sales team. We're talking about how AI becomes useful, not only in theory, not in like big visionary statements, as you can see AI left and right on LinkedIn, for example, but in a real practical way that drives better decisions, better targeting, and better revenue outcomes. So AI is transforming B2B marketing and sales today. But the truth is that most of the teams are overlooking where AI can actually be of value to your teams, because AI is only as good as the data you're feeding. So if your inputs are incomplete, outdated, disconnected, your AI just becomes noise. Your predictions weaken, your personalization falls flat, lead scoring loses accuracy, and suddenly you have an AI that works but often gets everything wrong, right? So as a result of that, marketing teams struggle to personalize at scale, reps chase accounts that will never convert, predictable models miss the mark, and website personalization not going to go there. Feels just generic, right? And this is exactly where Dealfront comes in. So Dealfront enriches your entire AI stack that you have with verified high-quality firmographics, behavioral data, and intent data. So that's actually the missing content or context that you need for your tools to actually become intelligent. So right now, let's take a look at how this actually works. So with intent data, you can now see who visited your website, how long they visited, what kind of pages, and can utilize this information also to feed your AI what your ICP is and what kind of ICP is visiting your website. That's the behavioral data that you can use. Firmographic data tells your AI who a company is. So their industry, their size, you can see it on my screen, right? So if you look at this overview about a company, you can get every single information there is: employee size, revenue, what they are doing in a nutshell. So you can see a dedicated overview that you can feed your AI to get better results. And also like trigger events or signals that you feed your AI can determine when to reach out to the right companies at the right time. So if we look at signals, we have plenty of those here, and look at business expansion, for example, we can find all the companies that are currently about to expand their businesses, so you can reach out at the right time and tailor your AI approach based on this kind of information. And especially with the Dealfront's ICP fit score, it brings it all together. It shows you exactly which account match your best customers. So now, once these verified signals flow into your AI tools, everything becomes sharper, faster, more accurate. And that way, you send Dealfront data into those tools is simple, either by using our API or by integrate Dealfront data directly to your CRM or marketing automation systems. So with Dealfront powering your AI stack, your entire go-to-market engine becomes more precise. Your AI tools make decisions based on real buyer intelligence, not static CRM fields or something like that. Marketing spends less and converts more, and sales know exactly who to focus and why. So smarter data creates smarter AI, and Dealfront gives you the tools to verify the real-time signals that need to predict, personalize, and perform. This is how you turn automation into intelligence, and intelligence, obviously, into revenue. So I hope you enjoyed the full playbook, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.